Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M8 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to begin, you will need to turn off the device, and you can do so by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time, like so. And from the boot options, swipe up to turn off the device. In a moment, once the device turns off, you're again going to hold the power button and volume up at the same time. And this will boot us into the recovery mode. Now we can let go of the power button when the POCO logo shows up. So, when you enter this mode, you can obviously let go of the volume up, and while you're in here, you will need to use volume buttons, which is kind of labeled right here, to navigate between these three options. So volume down will scroll down and up will go up, while power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, from the options, we have reboot, which takes us back to Android. We have wipe data, which is a only wipe all data or factory reset, no wipe cache partition on here. And then we have connect with Me Assistant, which is a program, I believe, on a computer that I can connect to. So anyway, I'm going to stick with the first one, which is already selected. Power button, confirm it. Reboot to system, so I'm going to again confirm with that. And this will now reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.